Good morning to all of you. This is Siddhartha and I am a chemistry teacher in Oriental Public School. Today I discuss the topic bond. So there are mainly two types of bonds. Okay. The first one is your ionic bond and the second one is covalent bond. So what's the difference between these bonds? What is ionic bond? What is covalent bond? So in ionic bond, generally we can see that the bond which is mainly formed by the complete transfer of electrons. Okay. In any case, if complete transfer of electron takes place, then this type of formed bond is known as ionic bond. Okay. And if any bond is formed by the sharing of electrons, then this type of bond is known as covalent bond. Okay. Now I can write in the board the exact definition of ionic bond. The bond which is formed by the complete transfer of electrons is known as ionic bond. Okay. And covalent bond, the bond which is formed by the sharing of electrons is known as covalent bond. Okay. Now we discuss the example of ionic bond. Okay. Examples of ionic bond. Examples of ionic bond. Here example is NaCl, sodium chloride. The another name of NaCl is sodium chloride. It is also known as common salt. It is also known as common salt or table salt. The salt which is used by human beings in kitchen is also sodium chloride. The another name of sodium chloride is common salt. Okay. So how ionic bond is formed between sodium and chlorine? Okay, this bond is ionic bond, but how this ionic bond is formed? So at first we know the atomic number of sodium is 11 and its electronic configuration is 2, 8 and 1, which means its valence electron is 1. Okay. And in case of chlorine, the atomic number of chlorine is 70 and its electronic configuration is 2, 8, 8 and 7, which means the valence electron of chlorine is 17. Sorry, 17 not, it's 7. Okay, 7. So here we can see that in sodium, okay, in sodium only one valence electron is present, and in case of chlorine total 7 unpaired electrons are present here. So here in this case complete transfer of electron takes place. ये इलेक्ट्रॉन जो है यहाँ पे कंप्लीट ट्रांसफर कर जाएगा और जो है क्या होगा, Na और Cl के बीच बॉन्ड बनेगा. A bond is formed between chlorine and sodium just like this here, okay, and also chlorine follow the octet rule. Here the bond formed between sodium and chlorine is ionic bond. While in case of covalent bond, there is a shearing between two atoms. Okay, now I discuss the example of covalent bond. Example of covalent bond. Example of covalent bond. Here, hydrogen having one electron, another hydrogen having another electron, and both the hydrogen atoms share the electrons to form a covalent bond here like this. Okay, H. Here, this bond is known as covalent bond, just like that. Yes. So in case of H2, in case of Cl2, in case of Br2, all types of bond is known as covalent bond, which is formed by these atoms. Okay, because these atoms actually share the electrons between each other. Okay, so that's all about the ionic bond and covalent bond. Thank you.